Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You. So first thing, here needful. Okay, that is here we have an opening from Microsoft. So maybe you'll be thinking like Microsoft is not for the normal people. Like there are. Don't worry like that. Maybe if you can develop yourself to that, maybe you will be one among the Microsoft. Okay, don't underestimate yourself. Like we will be looking for some opportunities which is at the lower cost. I mean, I'm not underestimating any kind of job opportunities. Every opportunities are having its own importance. Every job has its own dignity. But when you're looking searching for the silver, you are losing the gold. Okay, so you just try applying for that and you just raise yourself to the eligibility criteria. Maybe we don't know like when it will be striking and everything. Okay, so let's see what are the opportunities available. So before that, I would like to introduce our Instagram page. It is online study for you to placement where we conduct some discussions regarding the same, and you can just get all the information updates regarding the placement opportunities available and some quizzes, everything. You can be a part of that and assess yourself. And not only Instagram, we have a Telegram channel as well, online study for you. So the links will be there in the description. You can be a part of that. In Telegram channel, we used to conduct discussions regarding all the upcoming placement examination. If a company examination is about to come, then we used to be a part of that and we used to conduct the discussions regarding the same. So be a part of that and know about the examination pattern, everything, and start your career. Okay. So first, I would like to introduce the opportunity regarding the software engineer intern at Microsoft. Okay, it's an intern opportunity. So here you can see that it's been pretty wide that they have posted the job opening. It's not, it's not expired yet. So here coming to the qualification criteria, you can see that eligibility criteria is BTech or MTech or MS in computer science or related quantitative field with minimum 7.5 CGPA on 10 and ability to write clean, well-crafted code with an emphasis on quality, simplicity, durability, and maintainability. Consider customers' perspective and experience when implementing solutions. They demonstrate the ability to deliver tasks on time, also exhibit the ability to adapt to change, provide estimates, author validation tests, provide timely issues resolutions, communicate effectively to surface progress, risk, and need with the project team. Okay, and its locations Hyderabad and Bangalore, Noida available. So this is about it. Qualification. So yes, if you're done with it, you can go. It is minimal qualification. So you must be very good at the programming, and if you have a communication skill, then done. You major of the job opportunities are for you. Okay, so now you can see that the other opening also for the software engineer full-time job opening. So here too, they have mentioned regarding the criteria. Yeah, BTech, MTech, MS, same. Which is for 2022 batches. So here, internship, they have been mentioned, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, internship, they haven't mentioned any of the batch criteria. So basically, it will be for the recent graduates like 21 or 22. It's for them. Okay, 22 and 23 too. I think that they can even try. You can try applying. There is no harm in that. Now, yeah, ability to write clean code. So everything is same. It is a full-time opportunity and it is open for 2022. Everything is same than the other clean code, everything. So here, when you just watch the qualification criteria of the software, Microsoft themselves, what they wanted to have is like obviously your academic criteria is one of the important thing, and the other thing is they wanted to have very good in the domain knowledge. That is that you when where you're getting us in software engineer position, so you must be very good at programming to work out the programming logic, provide the solutions, everything, and you must very good at the communication and to be a part and to work along with the project team. Okay, so this is the basic qualification. So to know about what are the jobs that you will be performing, you can go through the job roles and responsibility section. Okay, so it is very minimal. You can just see that so many other companies which is in the statistics or the product level companies, which is a bit below that, the Microsoft come up with a lot of skill set or a lot of certification course that you should have to undergo. So this is an opportunity where you can grab it with your self-confidence and with that your knowledge. So try it. Okay, give your full to attain this knowledge, everything. I'm prepared for that. And if it is not coming into your path, then it's completely fine. Just leave it, but don't or miss any kind of opportunity without trying. Okay, so this is it. And next, let's sign up with, yeah, you can choose anything with it and sign up for the same. So I have currently choose sign in. So to this both of the job opening, the registration steps is pretty simple and similar. Both includes the same registration step. So this is set. Yes, you can upload the resume here and you can give the name and your email ID, your address, And if you have experience, it is not a mandatory field. If you have experience, then you can give that, because 2022 they will be asking what is experience criteria. There are students, it is applicable for masters too, master students too. So at times those students, if after completing their bachelor's, they might have went for any job, then they would have joined for the master's. So they will be having some work experience to provide, right? So it's for them. If you have, you can provide, else you can completely leave that. And school education you can give, then additional information, everything, and continue with the application. Okay, so this is the steps that you have to take care of while applying for it. Like, yeah, it is not an easy job to get into Microsoft, but I would suggest you to aim high, so that you will be very much moving good in your career. Like, and when you're moving in a 1 into speed, then it will be like 2 into or 2.5 cross. So that's it. You just aim high, aim big, and develop yourself to that. Just only by the application step, your registration process never gets complete. After application, you have to prepare for the same. And if you wish to get into this opening, and if you think that okay, you have to get into this, you have to develop yourself for the next same opening to come up. Okay, so if you're not up to the skills criteria or the qualification criteria that they have mentioned, okay, so these are the things that you have to take care of. So don't underestimate yourself. You can try applying in Microsoft, Google, Apple, whatever it is. There is no harm in applying. Try applying and know about the criteria that they're looking forward for, and develop yourself so that you will be getting a good opportunity. Okay, so aim high, then only, like, you have to look up to the sky, then only you will be getting something till up to the mountain. Okay, so that's it, guys. So make sure you make your application to all the opportunities that is up to you. So that's all. If you have any further doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, welcome to the comment section. So everybody, all the best for your career. Everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.